Thanks for the ride, Mr. Grace.
Sure thing,
Without the
kid.
password, you look for the back entrance.
You want to hear a funny one? On the way over to the island, the fella stopped me at a coconut tree, and he said I hadn't had a bite for 3 days. You know what I did? I bit him.
What did he say?
Ao cansado com o lado do Licelo. Aí o cansado com os sapos.
Honorine? Honorine!
I don't want to say my wife is exactly fat. All I know is she bent over to tie her shoelaces, and somebody threw a saddle over her. What happened? What happened? She came in second and paid $6.80. You know, marriage is like a warm bath. Once you get used to it, it's not so hot. Now you take my wife. Please.
Yeah, I thought she was your sister.
You thought she was me.